How many would like to see me turn the DJ to a goat just as the part of the performance?
Simply smart.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the show. Put your hands together for yourselves. I'm not like to see me turn the DJ to a goat just as the part of the performance. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please, I have to do a quick prediction. Who they say they're not bombing well now? Okay, I have to do a quick prediction before I leave the stage. I don't have enough time, so please just help me out. Help me out. I need just 3 persons from the audience. Now I'm saying 3 persons from the audience, so it will look as if maybe I planned this. So I need just 3 persons, not an entertainer. I'm doing a prediction. I'm going to read their mind tonight. So I need them, anybody, but not an entertainer. Random individuals. Just come to the... Okay, let's make them 4. Let's make them 4. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please, you have to pay attention so you follow up with what I'm doing. Right now, I'm doing a prediction. Like, you see what I'm holding? I'm holding a piece of paper. And in that piece of paper, there are some numbers written on it. So I want all of you to face the audience, please. Face the audience. I don't know them. Sir, please help me to hold this. Now, what I want you to do, I want you to think of any 2-digit number. Any 2-digit number of your choice. Then I need the last 2 digits of your MTN number. Last 2 digits of your MTN number. Then I need your transaction pin. Your pin for transaction, but you're not going to say it out. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Please take this. It's going to be quick and snappy. Please keep it to yourself. Please, I said anybody should come out. The opportunity was given at first. I don't know them. So, okay, please come, please come. Go. Go. Chama, come. Chama, come. What I'm saying you should, I know, hold on. Okay, please. Abuna come up for stage. Unama come up for stage. Okay, now the 2-digit number you are thinking of, can you just put it down, please? I'm going to multiply the numbers together. Like I said, it's a prediction. In case maybe I not get the numbers. Yeah, it's a prediction. Okay, press the times button. Times button, give it to him. The last 2 digits of your MTN number. I'm going to multiply the number I was thinking of by the last 2 digits of his phone number. By her transaction pin. Press it, write your number, then press the times button and give it over to her. I remember just making this snappy. Time to go. Press the times button and put in your transaction pin. Like I said, it's a prediction. It's a prediction. Okay, press the equal to button. I want you to call out the answer one at a time. I'll give you the mic. Once he's calling out the answer, I will show everybody my prediction. He has been with him the whole time. Like I said, it's a prediction. I might not be able to get the right answer. Can I get it, please? Yes. Yeah, thank you. Now you call out numbers one at a time. Don't be in a hurry. One at a time.
Let's go. Call it. Yeah, you call it one by one. All right, let's go. Give me 937401 small 885.
Okay, please. I know this is a show. I want to do this, then I'll leave, please. That's it, please. 1 minute. Everybody, turn off your camera. That man that said I know them, please come out. I'll transform you to a goat for just 5 minutes. Then I'll leave, please. Can you just come out, please? Please, just for 5 minutes.
Come outside,
please. For 5 minutes.
Scapegoat, come outside. Come outside. Please, a round of applause for the goats. The goats.
Let's get out for please.
Now, Oga, the last time he did this thing, he turned someone to a goat, but he could not turn it back to a human being. So in case you don't come back, to God be all the glory. Till we meet to part no more. You say?
Make him turn me to goat. If he turn me, make he not turn me back.
So you want all the chop grass?
All right, thank you very much.